wajiunge na United Opposition kina Sifuna Linda Mwananchi?
Politically, it will be a very good move. One, kwa sababu the reason why probably the opposition, or rather tukiwa na very splitted opposition, they wouldn't be able to beat President Ruto ni kwa sababu they will have division of votes. So kuna watu wangekuwa navotia like they're supporting Gachagua. For example, if the United Opposition will choose Gachagua, Kalonzo Musyoka, JB Muturi, or either of them to be their flag bearer, which means kutakuwa na a lot of division ya votes. So politically it will be a smart move. That is one. Secondly, we've had Linda Mwananchi, that is Sifuna, saying that they are not being funded. Ni watu wanajitolea and they give away their funds. But no, the question will be, tunajua campaigns za Kenya, it involves a lot of tokens, tuanzie hapo. So it only means a lot of money, a lot of funds will be involved. And now on the brighter side, we all know Rigathi Gachagua is able to fund campaigns. He alisaidia Ruto where he could 2022, and we can remember his accounts were frozen for quite some time, and we could clearly see Rigathi was still living his life. So probably Rigathi still has the financial muscle that the Linda Mwananchi would want. And also for Sifuna, one thing Sifuna has as an advantage, he's bringing the youthfulness. He's bringing probably the Gen Zs now more into politics, which now will be an advantage to the United Opposition.
Sio discussion haiwezi endelea zaidi ya hapo, lakini kwa comment section unaweza niachia pale unahisi vipi. Amesema lao, wewe unasemaje? Hadi wakati mwingine, kwa heri.